Okay, let's look at the number 14. The equation y equals 2 minus 3 sine pi over 4 parenthesis x minus 1 has a fundamental period of which one, right? So when you do this one, first you need to understand what's the meaning about the fundamental period. In general form is this: y equals a sine b x minus c plus d. This is general form for sine. And here, the one influence with the period will be the b here. If you have y equals sine x, here's 1x, like this. So we know that period equals to 2 pi for this parent function. And for the general form of the sine function, the period will be equals to 2 pi divided by the b. Okay? So when you have this one as a formula, so you can look at here, this pi over 4 is equivalent to the b here, equivalent to the b here. So you can find the period for this function will be equals to 2 pi divided by the b. b is pi over 4. And then you can get about 2 pi times by 4 over pi. And then this two cancel. You get an 8. So the answer C will be the correct answer. And since we're on this general format of the sine function, so we can discuss more about beyond this question, okay? Beyond this question is this: A. Here the A, we call it as what? A, we call it as amplitude. Okay, means the sine go how high. Eh? Generally, sine is this. This is the x, this is the y, right? This is the 1 and negative 1, and the graph is go like this. So that's the time the period is 2 pi. That's from here. But if you have a here, that means you're going to go higher. For example, a equals 2. If a equals 2, the graph will be go up there to go down negative 2. So you go like this. Okay, that's the amplitude about. And this D means vertical shift. Just move up or move down. How many units based on the D? If D is negative, you go down. D is positive, you go up. Okay? And here the C representing the shifting. If the C is positive, we move to the right. And if the C is negative, we move to the left. Okay? And the B is the one influenced with the period. Just use the 2 pi divided by whatever of the B, put it here. All right? So this is general brief about standard trig function, sine function, similar with the cosine function. Okay? So if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you. Bye-bye.